Carroll County, White County.
White County, go ahead.
Carroll County, have a 1050 PI on the lake, 1050 PI on the lake, Lake Freeman. Stand by for further. Carroll County, White County, further.
Go ahead.
Carroll County, the boat has taken off. It's driving in circles by itself. It's headed toward Oakdale Dam. The boat is headed toward Oakdale Dam, driving in circles. There is no one on the boat. Male subject is in the water. We're paging out at this time. Carroll County, White County, further.
White County, go ahead.
Carroll County, the male subject is not injured. He is out of the water. He is at Tall Timbers. He is out of the water. However, the boat is still going toward Oakdale Dam. Myself, Fire Department, Water Rescue. Request you be en route to Lake Freeman by Tall Timbers in Carroll County. Lake Freeman by Tall Timbers in Carroll County. It's going to be by the Oakdale Dam. A boat, there's going to be some sort of a 1050 male subject in the water. The boat is unoccupied, still driving in circles. It's going towards the dam. Male subject is still in the water. Carroll County, we are now paging it out as a 1050 PI, 1050 PI, subject possibly still in the water.
You advise subject is still possibly in the water.
Dispatch, Monticello Rescue 2s en route to the area of Oakdale Dam.
Rescue 2.
Dispatch Fire 2, responding Tall Timbers.
Clear Fire 2.
Dispatch Medicaid. Medicaid's responding to Tall Timbers.
10-7.
1041, I'll be around to get my dive here.
White County.
Carroll County. Check White County. This is Carroll County. Go ahead.
Carroll County, I contacted Conservation Office. They advised you also contacted them. Do they have a unit en route reference the boat?
Affirmative. We are getting confirmation now from our officers on scene advising the victim is out of the water. Only the boat is in the water. All victims are out of the water.
Are all victims out of the water? Are they needing medical attention? We have them en route.
Stand by. We'll check with units on scene.
Attention all units responding to Lake Freeman by Tall Timbers by the Oakdale Dam. Officers on scene are advising all victims are out of the water. All victims are out of the water. The boat is still driving in circles in the water.
Carroll County.
Carroll County, White County.
White County, request that continue to check the
Clear, and to confirm, just one victim, correct?
That would be correct. One victim, boat still in the water, going in circles.
Clear, one victim. We'll advise. In Southern White County?
Rescue 2. Go ahead. I'm in Upper Hambridge right now. At the end of Upper Hambridge. It's a red bass boat. It's just going in circles, unoccupied, right directly across from Hambridge. It's south of Tall Timbers at this time. Rescue 2. Rescue 2 further. The boat just died. It's just now floating. Same area. Okay. Fire 5, Fire 4. Go ahead. We've got the boat hooked up. Clear, thanks. Dispatch squad. Squad's out to Tall Timbers on Lake Freeman.
Clear squad, are you clear that the boat has recently died at this time? It was just floating in water. All victims are out.
Clear. Dispatch, Rescue 2 is on scene. Medicaid in traffic.
Clear, Rescue 2, Medicaid.
Dispatch, Rescue 2.
Rescue 2.
We can downgrade this. Medic crew's checking out the patient. Tall Timbers associates towing the boat up. We're going to be done soon. Cancel all other units not on scene.